So you're probably here because you're a career professional and earlier on in life you made some questionable choices, created some silly YouTube channels, uploaded some silly videos, and now you want to make everything go away. You want to make it private without actually deleting your entire channel. So basically, you're going to hide your channel name, the videos, the subscriptions, the subscribers. You're going to become invisible to everyone else. So how do you accomplish it? First things first, you will select your profile photo. From here, you will select YouTube Studio. If you're unsure or you can't find it in the manner that I just explained it, just type in studio.youtube.com when you're logged into your YouTube channel and it will get you to the same exact page. Now over here on the left hand side, you should see a settings option. It's got a little gear icon next to it. Just select that. Once you're there, you're going to find channel and select that. Then you're going to go to advanced settings. You're going to scroll all the way down and you're going to click on manage YouTube account. On this page, you'll simply scroll down until you see view advanced settings. You will then select that. What you're going to do now is you're going to scroll all the way down until you see delete channel. You're going to click it and don't worry, it's not going to delete your channel. When you see this screen here, you're simply going to click on Review in Google Account. Once you do a quick verification, you're going to see these options here. And what you're going to want to do is not permanently delete your content, you just want to hide your entire channel. So you can click the drop down here. On this screen, you will see that YouTube is confirming that it's going to make all of your YouTube content and activity private. So what you're going to want to do here is read through all of this that you're agreeing to. And once you do that, you will select Hide My Channel. You'll then see this option here where it's saying hide all your content. This will make your entire channel private, including all your videos, playlists, likes, and subscriptions. You're going to select Hide My Content. And now you're going to see the screen here that says Channel Hidden. You're all done. Please allow some time for your channel to be hidden across the site. Congratulations, you've effectively made your entire YouTube account private. Now your boss or your life partner will never find out what a weird person you truly are.